Hey guys, welcome. I have something so exciting for you guys today. It is the Back to Basics mystery box from Cricut. You are going to be getting all kinds of things, including this MINT Cutie. Now, I do have to tell you that this mystery box is going to be a little bit different than mystery box in the past. You have to be an Access member to get this mystery box. Moving forward, you have to be an Access member to get all Cutie mystery boxes. That's going to be a perk that is available for Access members. Now, there are other perks of being an Access member. You get 10% off of all of your purchases that stack with other coupons. You get access to tens of thousands of images. Yes, this is a MINT Cutie, and so many other perks. So if you're not an Access member, go ahead and sign up. It's $10 a month. It's cheaper if you buy it monthly. I have the link for you in the description. Go ahead, purchase Access, and then go through again and purchase the box. This is an amazing box. So even if you don't need the vinyl, you need this MINT Cutie. And let me show you how cute he is. If you are a follower of mine, you know that this MINT, it's perfect for my collection. And it's got to be perfect for yours too. It is so cute. The mint is one of my very favorite colors of the cuties, and it says Cricut on the back. Now, some people are going to say, what do these do? What are these for? These are super rare collectibles. You can only get them at meet and greets. You can get them with these mystery boxes, and now you can only get them from now on out if you are an Access member. So be sure to purchase that Access so you can have access to the cuties. So let me show you what else is inside the box. But people always want to know first and foremost, is there a cutie? He's right here. And he says, bring me home. I want to come to your house. I want to come hang out with you in your craft room. Here is the cutie, and he's mint. So cute. Somebody give me a heart reaction for this cutie because it is precious. Let's send up all the hearts. Okay. So what else are you going to get? You have to have one of these too, you guys. These are the extra large scrapers to apply your vinyl with. These are great. And look how big this is. So for this one, there is no code. This is a brand new mystery box that has been released this morning. You're the first to see it. You get this scraper, and look how big it is, and that's to apply your vinyl projects with. You also get this basic tool set. So you get the scissors, a small scraper, a pair of tweezers, you get the spatula, and the weeding tool. Look at how amazing this is. I don't care if I have 20 of each of these, I always need more. I love these so much. So here's the vinyl that you're going to be getting. These are Back to the Basics mystery box. You get one roll of 12 by 24 everyday iron-on in navy. You get, let me keep these in order. You get the Martha Stewart Everyday Iron-On Metallic Collection. You get 3 sheets of 12 by 12, and you get 3 colors. So you get this caramel color, a silver, and this kind of cocoa color. And these are absolutely beautiful. Then you get 2 rolls of transfer tape, 12 by 48. These are absolutely amazing. You get the, 1 roll of 12 by 48 white vinyl. And this, so like 12 by 48, that is huge. That is super long. And then you get this dry erase vinyl. It is also 1 roll of 12 by 48. This is so neat. This is dry erase. So if you have orders that you need to put up, if you have notes that you need to put up, I have this on my refrigerator for a grocery list. to keep going. I have it in my craft room as notes of tasks that I need to get done. It is so amazing. And then last but not least, you get this basic sampler of party foil. It's 6 sheets. Look how sparkly that is. 6 sheets of 12 by 48. And let me just show you how sparkly this is. Look at that. So sparkly. So if you need the link to order, it is going to be in the description. You do have to be an Access member. Remember that from moving now on forward, you have to be an Access member to get these super precious cuties. Now, you're going to get 20% off of this box. The mystery box price is $39.99. You get free shipping with the box, and you also get 20% off. So all in all, your box is going to be about $34. So go ahead and snag it. These always sell out with the cuties. I say always. I mean, yeah, pretty much always they sell out. So be sure to grab one. I am so excited to show you guys this one, and leave me a comment when you snag one.